Hello, my name is Fabian Labat, AWS Solutions Architect. In this video, I'll show you how to use Resource Access Manager new Manage Permissions to enable granular access to your shared resources, and follow the best practice of granting least privilege access to shared resources. In my example, I'll share a private subordinate certificate authority with 2 AWS accounts in my organization using Resource Access Manager. Account A principals will be able to only issue certificates, and account B principals will only be able to revoke the certificates from the private CA. Let's jump to the AWS console and share this private subordinate CA. I already created the root and subordinate certificate authorities. Here is the CA I'll share with other accounts. Now we can go to the Resource Access Manager console and click Create a Resource Share. I'll name my first resource share Private CA Issue. For resource type, I choose Private CAs and select the example subordinate CA I created before. Click Next and choose the permissions required to issue certificates. In this case, default permission. You can review the actions allowed by this permission and click Next. For principal, I'll display my organizational structure and select account A. I only want to share this resource with account A. Click Next, Review and create resource share. Let's create another resource share with different managed permissions, so account B can revoke certificates. I'll name the second resource share Private CA Revoke. For resource type, I choose Private CA and select the sample subordinate CA I created before. Choose the permissions required to revoke certificate, in this case revoke certificate, review the actions, and click Next. For principal, I only want to share this resource with account B. Click Next and click Create Resource Share. Both resource shares are now active. I'll test the permissions by logging into account A and issuing a certificate from the certificate authority. I'll use AWS Cloud Shell and the AWS command line to issue the certificate. I can successfully issue the certificate from account A. Let me try revoking the certificate which I created. I receive an access denied exception as expected. Let's log in now to account B and try to revoke the certificate. The revoke certificate API does not return a response, but our certificate is now revoked. Additionally, we can modify the existing private CA revoke share and remove the whole account and add a specific IAM role with permissions to revoke the certificates. Modify the share and add the IAM role from your account B to the principals. I will also remove the whole AWS account. Click Next and click Update Resource Share. Thank you.